Hi, so today we're going to be talking about top tips for reducing symptoms of leaking. Now, the first tip is to seek help. So leaking is extremely common postnatally, but it's not normal and it's not something you should be putting up with. So number one, inform your GP or get in touch with a pelvic health specialist or Mummy MOT Practitioner so you have a thorough assessment and we can set you up with a management plan. Number two, pelvic floor exercises. So we go on about these a lot, but the only way that pelvic floor exercises are going to be effective for you is if you practice them frequently and routinely. So the key is repetition. So we would recommend something like the Squeezy app or setting a reminder on your phone for 3 times a day. Tip number 3. Engage your pelvic floor prior to activities that are going to be putting it under extra strain. So I'm talking about high impact or high pressure activities such as coughing or sneezing or picking something heavy up from the floor. If your pelvic floor has been pre-activated and there is some tension in that pelvic floor prior to those activities, you're going to be putting it under far less strain. Number 4. Avoid constipation at all costs. We know that constipation can put excessive strain and pressure down through your pelvic floor tissues. So we want to reduce that strain at all costs. Ensure you are well hydrated, you have enough fibre in your diet to suit your needs, and you are moving regularly. Regular activity helps keep the bowel moving. Another key factor is making sure you don't ignore the urge to go to the loo. So if you feel the desire and you feel that urge to go, don't wait, don't hold on, listen to your body. Number 5, avoiding going to the loo just in case. Now this is really important, but it's something we commonly do if we are worried about having leaks and accidents outside of the house. But all you are doing is training your bladder to hold smaller volumes of urine and actually making it more likely that you might have leaks. So if you can reduce that urge to go before you go out, there's going to be a loo at the shop, there's going to be a loo where you're going, and wait until you actually have the urge, until your bladder is telling you you need to pass urine. If you have any questions or concerns at all, please contact a Mummy MOT practitioner near you.